top of the
Yep.
program, if you like.
There- there's a very nice study that was conducted by MIT. There's a few other people that obviously also did this over the years. I think prior to this it was 13%. They said only 87% of any AI investments actually, first of all, deliver on what was expected. Secondly, deliver on business value. The recent one with MIT says that effectively 95% of all investments that you'll make into AI will more than likely not lead to any business value, which
Yeah,
means it's either going to be POCs, experimentation, things that you're going to try. You don't have a clear case for value. So it means that you're going to burn through cash, effectively not really see that realization. And it's quite scary to think about. I mean, it's Matt, if you were a gambling man and I told you you've got a 5% odd of winning, more than likely you won't take that gamble.
yeah, that's yeah.
And we as data leaders are asking business to take a gamble and make an investment into something that globally is now being recognized as only having a 5% success rate of delivering value. And